Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll be showing some solitaire jewelry collection of earrings, rings and some necklaces. So first of all I'll tell you what is a solitaire. Solitaire is a jewelry which is made of, solitaire means single diamond piece. So all these jewelries are made out of single diamond pieces. The difference between solitaire and diamond is a piece of solitaire, but solitaire is a single piece of stone, gemstone. Okay, all of them are very beautiful. In the first section we are showing some white gold, rose gold and yellow gold necklaces with diamond solitaire pendants. Next section is rings. This is also having solitaire diamonds on that. Next section will cover some earrings, very cute earrings which can be used as single stone, also with some adornment on the sides of it. It's very beautiful. Please watch the video completely to see all of them. Please comment in the comment section which one you like the most, and the links for purchasing this is provided in the description box, and all the details are provided on the screen. Let me know which one you like. Continue watching. Thank you so much for visiting our channel.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 비스켓도 아니야, 쿠키는 더욱 아니지. 내 달콤한 그대에게 그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 비스켓도 아니야, 쿠키는 더욱 아니지. 내 달콤한 그대에게 그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿.